don't know how I managed to go through a year staying at home doing nothing. COVID-19 kind of like took a crazy toll on all of our lives, and yeah, we're kind of adapting to the new normal right now. So I hope you guys have a blessed, healthy and prosperous year ahead. Now that we have gotten more used to the new normal, we kind of gotta get things grooving a little bit. So on today's Winter Choice Friday WTF, we have something super interesting. It is the new Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream. So Fenty Beauty kindly sent over the 5 shades of the new Gloss Bomb Cream. This was released in December last year and is retailing at $22 on Sephora. So today we are going to try these bad boys out and see if they live up to the hype. So the difference between the Gloss Bomb Cream and the original Gloss Bomb is that these are actually pigmented lip glosses that do not have the original shimmers and the glitters inside. So if you're not a shimmer girl, you might enjoy these much more. And the benefit of glosses is that it makes your lips super pulpy, and I love the Fenty glosses because they are not sticky at all, so I'm very curious to try them out today. So here's how the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream packaging looks like. It's in their signature hexagonal bottle with the metallic cap, and the one thing that everybody's raving about is the huge doe foot applicator, so this will really help to get into your lip crevices easily with just one swipe. Without further ado, let's move on to the swatches. So the first shade that I have on is called Mauve Wives, and it's slightly on a lilac-y tone mauve, and I find that it doesn't really suit my skin tone very much, but if you are more of a cooler skin tone, this might look much nicer on you. I have kind of like a neutral warm skin, so it kind of looks a little bit like thick on my skin because the blue tint is a little bit too much for my liking, but otherwise it's a very nice and wearable shade. It has a slight fragrance on it. Oh, the scent is actually like pretty sweet, kind of like caramelish, but it's very light. I just feel like I am able to taste a bit of the fragrance, but it's not too bad. Stickiness wise, I think it's quite okay. It just feels like a very thick lip balm that kind of like Vaseline on your lips, so it's actually very bearable, and the color payoff is actually very nice as well. So yeah. So moving on, I'm going in with the second shade, which is Fenty Glow, and I already love how it looks like in the bottle. It's in this very beautiful nudish pink color. So I have on the shade Fenty Glow on my lips right now, and I think I really enjoy this shade because it's kind of like a my lips but better color. So usually when I apply glosses, the colors are actually very like faint, so I have to like apply a lip liner or a lipstick before topping it off with a gloss. But with this gloss, I find it pigmented enough for me to just apply it alone. I really love this shade. I think it's very flattering. It's like a shade that we all need in our collection. So the next shade is called Honey Waffles, and it's such a cute name. It really lives up to the name of the shade because it's in a very nice, beautiful, like sandy nude color. So this is the shade Honey Waffles on me, and I really love this. It's a very nice, beautiful, flattering nude shade. I think this color really makes your lips look very juicy. So if you are generally medium light, medium or dark in skin tone, I think this is going to be a absolutely flattering shade. It's so beautiful. I actually really love this on me. So the next shade is called Cookie Jar. It's a darker shade of the sandy nude previously, so I'm just going to apply this on my lips. I think we are gonna look pretty good on this color as well. So ooh, I already love how this looks. One thing for sure, they definitely didn't compromise on the pigments because damn girl, this is pigmented AF. It's kind of like a liquid lipstick but like a glossier version. I love it. Oh my gosh. Damn guys, I really love this color. The color Cookie Jar is so beautiful. Oh my god, I'm starting to love the colors as it grows darker because it gives such a nice pigment on the lips, and yeah, I think it's very flattering. Last but not least, we have the shade Fruit Snack. So this is a very beautiful berry and wine shade for the lips. Ooh god, can you guys see how pigmented this is? Wow, Okay, so the color payoff of this is amazing, but the blending is a big problem because as you can see it's a little bit patchy, I think because it's a gloss. So I think if you guys are looking to get this shade, I would totally recommend using a lip liner first before going in with the lip gloss. So this is how Fruit Snacks looks like on my lips and on my skin tone. I think it's a very beautiful shade. It's very, very sexy. It makes your lips look super gorgeous and juicy. Look at how plump and beautiful it is. If you guys are looking for something that's like dark and wine and sexy, I think this is the shade that you can consider. So we've come to the end of the swatches of the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Creams, and they are absolutely gorgeous on the lips. I love the pigmentation of it, and I love how there's no shimmer, so it makes it a very beautiful, kind of like a glossy liquid lipstick. As you can see from this shade, it's just purely the Gloss Bomb Cream. It's so beautiful on the lips. I love how that it's moisturizing, it's hydrating, and even right now when my lips is actually having eczema, it's actually very, very sensitive. I can only apply Vaseline, but the Gloss Bomb Cream doesn't irritate it at all, so I'm actually very impressed. So overall on today's Made to Try's Friday WTF, the Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb Cream definitely made the cut. So I'll totally give it a 10 out of 10, and you guys should totally try it. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a comment if you guys have any products that you want me to try. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!